Whoa, child, them baby hairs took off your bronzer, girl. You already ain't got no edges. You don't want to be up here on camera without edges and bronzer, okay, honey? You got to pick a struggle, girl. You got to pick a struggle.
Now gurus and new news, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Hey Lobos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you Ywigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I am showing you guys all the goodies that came in the packaging along with this scarf that I am going to use to do a pineapple type of style, pineapple ponytail, whatever it's called, child. I'm gonna use that to do it. So right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And this is the Velcro because honey, this is another headband wig. Okay, girl, don't judge me, honey, but I had to get that kinky curly unit, honey. I had to do it. She had to do it. Okay, so right here, I am going to go ahead and start styling the wig and prepping it and all that good stuff. And if you are interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Ywigs Hair. Shout out to you, Ywigs, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is, yes, girl, it's another headband unit. But you know your girl had to come with the kinky curly. You know I couldn't just do all of these different textures and not bring the kinky curly, honey. Like, honey, okay? I love a good kinky curly, girl. It's Ruth Kinky 4B/4C headband bob wig 9A Brazilian human hair. Okay, so do I know? Yeah. Okay, so the length that I have is 18 inches. It says medium brown. What's medium brown, girl? What's medium brown? I don't know what's medium brown, y'all. But it says 18-inch natural color AKC medium brown, honey. I don't know what's medium brown, but they got that on here, so I'm telling you what they got. It says average size. It says headband wig bob wig. So yeah, that's the information that I have. Now let's see what densities these wigs come in. So it only comes in 150% density, no matter what you get. And I'm gonna have a picture up here at some point, and the picture that they have, that length is 18 inches as well. So basically we probably got the same wig. Okay, me and old girl on the mannequin, I'm gonna call the girl on the mannequin Ruth too. Okay, so me and Ruth got the same length hair, probably the same wig. And you can only get this in an average cap size. And I think for the most part, all of these headband wigs are coming in the natural cap size, because you can simply just use that thing, that, you know, the Velcro thing, and make it tighter or looser. So I think they all just basically come in the same cap size. So it says, put on and go wigs, beginner and lazy girl friendly, no glue, no lace, super realistic look. Each wig comes with 2 different headbands. Now, I did get 2 different headbands. I have on this yellow one, and I have this pink one. I did not put this pink one on. I did not, but I got that one. And they also sent me this scarf, and they sent me this scarf because they actually wanted me to do the pineapple method. And I did do a little pineapple look, honey, okay? So yeah, I used this scarf that they sent me. I usually use a different scarf, but they sent me this one. So girl, I used what they gave me, honey, okay? I used that one. Which meant I had to change my clothes and change what I wanted to wear, because honey, that was not going with what I wanted to wear. Maybe they thought I was gonna wear the pink headband. I don't know, never mind. Anyway, so yeah, you do get 2 headbands when you buy from this particular company. And the price of this unit is $174, honey, okay? So keep that in mind, girl. That's how much she costs, okay? And this is Kinky Curly. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the information goes. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Now, as far as it being tangly, honey, I ain't met a Kinky Curly. Have I met a Kinky Curly? I don't think I've met a Kinky Curly that didn't have some snags, girl, okay? I don't want to say I ain't never, because I don't want to take the risk of lying, but I don't think I've came across a Kinky Curly that was not like that I didn't hit some snags in. That's just like one of the things with the girl, okay? The girls that are Kinky Curly, honey, is just like your own 4B, 4C hair, okay? And if you got 4B, 4C hair, you know what I mean, because your girl got 4B, 4C hair. So if you got the same, then you know what I mean. But yeah, so that you will hit a few snags. It's nothing to write home about, though. It's not even no bad snags. Like even now, you can see me just running my fingers through it, and that's probably because I did detangle it some. So I would recommend when you get her, put a little water on the girl. Do it like you do your hair, okay? Do it like you do your own wash and goes, or anything hair related. Do it like that. And you know, I used the lock method on my hair, so I did the lock method on this hair. So yeah, I would recommend you guys doing that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now shedding, it does shed some. It does shed some, so I want you guys to keep that in mind as I was running product through this unit. Journey Brown. To who? The who?
The film who you're talking to.
You want to say goodbye? Okay. Now, as far as shedding, I did get some shedding with this wig, so I want you guys to keep that in mind as well. You may get a little shedding here and there, so keep that in mind. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead. I don't have to do a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. We're gonna go ahead and get into what I think about this unit, as well as any products and stuff that I used, in case you are wondering. Are we gonna get into them products? Child, we may not get into them products, okay, because they in my bathroom and I'm out here. But I'll give you an idea about them, okay? So yeah, let's get into that. If you're interested, then come on, girl. Come on. Let's go over here. All right, y'all. So as far as how I feel about this wig, I love her. She's a look. You guys know, if you've been rocking with me for a while, kinky curly is just my style, okay? It's just my swag, okay? I love a good curly type of unit. So of course, this is my favorite headband wig. Like, this is my favorite one so far. This to me is even more realistic than the kinky straight, because honey, your girl doesn't okay, the kinky straight, my hair the kinky straight wig is really long, and I feel like most people that know me know that I don't ever wear my hair long. So with this one and the length, if you don't know I've shaved my head, you probably really, if you ain't seen me in a minute, girl, and you saw this length and me, you would probably think it was my hair, okay? So to me, it looks more realistic for me. But yeah, I love this unit. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I even like the half up, half down style, and sometimes that can look kiddish, but I thought it looked really cute with this particular wig. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I have no complaints with this unit whatsoever. I don't care about the shedding. I don't care about the tangling, only because I have 4C hair. And if it didn't shed or didn't tangle, I'd be like, this is not real 4C hair. This is not 4C hair, because my hair sheds, it tangles, it does all of that stuff. So to me, it just makes it more realistic. I don't know. And maybe I'm tripping. Okay, y'all. So as far as products that I use with this wig, I did use the lock method, which is leave-in conditioner, oil, and curl defining cream. So I did use that method because, to me, girl, it's 4C hair, and that's what I do on my own hair, only, you know, to prevent dryness and all that good stuff. So I was like, let's give it a shot, okay? So I did use that. The leave-in conditioner I used was by Carol's daughter. The oil that I use, I don't know who it's by. I just get any oil. I do have Jamaican castor oil, but I didn't use Jamaican castor oil. It was just some random oil that I had that I usually use when I do Journey Brown's hair. It's just like one of the oils with the thing on it, the tip. I don't know. I use that. And I also used the Auntie Jackie's or Aunt Jackie's curl defining cream. I use those products because I feel like it's something that I use on my own hair. So I was like, let me use it on this. So yeah, those are the products that I use. Now, I did forget that, child, I had another headband. So this is the other headband that I had. And yeah, I didn't even think about wearing it, but I do believe Journey Brown make her wear it. Okay, so yeah, that headband I didn't consider wearing because I ain't got no edges, and I'm not gonna be wearing nothing that ain't got no edges, girl. I'm just not. She's not doing it. She's not. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. If you're feeling it, if it's a look for you, if you're like, nah, girl, I prefer a different texture, let me know. Let me know what's your favorite texture headband wig. Let me know if you own a headband wig. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So if the back is a mess, y'all, don't judge me. Keep in mind, I was styling this wig different ways. And y'all know I'm bad about that back, so don't judge me. The direct link to this unit will be listed down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much all. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed to us, click that subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.